student at Cheongdam. Today I will be talking about my favorite season. Season is a change in weather, like spring is normal, summer is hot, fall is chilly, and winter is very cold. And in spring I can see cherry blooms. In summer I can see a swim in the sea. In the fall I can see leaves change color to red and yellow. In winter I can make a snowman. I think the worst weather is summer because there are many insects that like very hot, but summer has summer vacation and usually I go on a trip in the summer vacation. My favorite season is winter. The opposite winter is summer, so winter is cold and summer is hot. First, insects hate winter, so I don't see any mosquitoes and flies by. Also, I can eat takoyakis, tteokbokkis, and hot dogs. These foods are my favorite. I ate tteokbokkis with my friends after school, so I feel excited and they are delicious. Second, I can do winter sports like skate and play ice hockey. Also, I can play soccer in the winter. I like sports. I played soccer with my friends in winter. I played soccer for 7 hours. It is very fun, but my legs hurt. This is why winter is the best. In conclusion, my first reason that winter is the best was insects hate winter and I can eat winter foods. My second reason that winter is the best was I can play winter sports. My favorite season is winter. Thank you for listening to my presentation.